Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to be introducing this new baby to you guys. Isn't she cute, y'all? Isn't she cute? And would you believe me if I told you she was under $20? Under $20. Listen, this year we are about saving coins and putting them elsewhere and traveling and all that good stuff, but slaying on a budget. And who gonna check you? So yes, I'm gonna stop rambling, and before we get to this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any of my other uploads and all the slayage, okay? All the things, all the slayage. So let's get into it. Alright you guys, so today I am taking the Freetress lace part wig in the style Valentino, and I have the color PB27. So I'm going to take her out of the box and let's get into it. So all standard wigs, all standard synthetic wigs come in like a little pack like this, and then it has like the little card with the specs on it. So this is what she looks like. She has some nice pretty highlights, and so I'm really feeling the color. Okay, so a little bit about this wig. This is in the style Valentino. Like I said, the color is PB27, and this is actually a shake and go wig. And this wig is curling iron safe, up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and they have a variety of different colors. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. Has like this long deep parting, and then it comes with the two standard combs on the sides and then the one standard comb on the back, and then it has adjustable straps. Now I have a big head, so we're gonna see if this is big head friendly, because most of these wigs ain't.
Until I can catch my breath and step away, think about what to say to you.
Alright y'all, so this is what she's looking like straight out the pack. I'm really loving this color. This color is really fun. Right in here there's some, like, I guess these are supposed to be baby hairs, but they're a little weird to me because of how they are. So far, I'm a little hesitant in regards to if this is big head friendly or not, because I feel like it's pretty snug, and I'm trying to move it up because I do want to move it up just a little bit, and I feel like it's not allowing me to. But it could just be because my personal preference, I like for it to rest a little bit above my hairline. So I'm going to customize this wig, and then I'll give you my thoughts at the end.
I belong to
Right y'all, so here is how she's looking. I am in love, y'all. Like, I am in love. You cannot tell me this is a $20 wig. Like, less than $20. Let me correct myself. Do you guys see this? And do you guys see this color? Like, hello. I am feeling it. So my thoughts about this wig. I'm in love, but besides me being in love, I'm just gonna, let's get to the nitty gritty. So first things first, you can apply heat to this wig. It takes up to 400 degrees. So if you felt like you wanted to flatten this out a little bit, you definitely could. All I did was go in with my face powder and just, like, you know, conceal that part area. Of course you can see a little bit of the indentation because it is a wig, but for what it's worth and how much it is, baby, this is it. This is a winner, okay? This is a winner. Now the texture of the hair, it's giving me like a silky kind of yucky feel, you know, like kind of like a Dominican blowout, but it still has that yucky texture. I do really like that. Now, one thing I do find is that this wig is slipping. I didn't put any like security like I would do, like got to be glued or anything like that, because you know, I just wanted to do this for the purpose of the video. However, if you don't want to use got to be glued, you can definitely use a wig slip. Just apply it. You can get it from Amazon. It's just like a little tie that you put on and then you put your wig over, and then it prevents it from slipping back. The one weird thing that I did find about this wig is the fact that the combs are literally like right here. That's so strange to me, because most wigs that I've worn, the combs are like on the sides, and then you have the one in the back. So I feel like that isn't giving me the security that I would like in a wig, but I'm sure I can bypass that with a wig slip or with my got to be glued. For $20, baby, you can make this work. You can definitely make this work. And yeah, she is definitely real cute. I absolutely love this wig. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section and we can chat. Let me know what you guys are thinking, how you guys are feeling about this wig, because I think she is bomb. Okay, bomb. We can still slay on a budget now. I hope that this video was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys are liking these hair videos, and I will continue to produce hair content and letting you guys know how you can slay on a budget, because we are saving our coins this year, okay? Saving our coins. Hello. But yeah. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I mean that. I mean that. To that. I mean that. I mean that. To that. I mean that. I mean that. To that. I mean that. I mean that. I mean that. You call my name with your lips.